Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RS Squared Technology. I'm your host Ryan, and today let's get ready to SolidWorks. Haha. So, this is part 2 from part 1 on the housing in chapter 2 of the Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks 2022 Level 1. As always, there will be a link in the description where you can pick up the book for purchase to follow along. So, with that, grab your mouse, put on a seatbelt, and let's get started. Alright, diving in on page 69, section 2.35, we're going to start a sketch. And to do that, we're going to bring the right side view normal to by pressing Ctrl 4. Then under our sketch tab, we're going to choose the circle. We're then going to select the face of the part here. We're then going to take our awesome number 2 pencil, click, drag out to make our circle, click again. Then we're going to hit escape. And now we need to fully define this sketch. As you can see, it's blue. So this is going to be from page 69 into 70. To follow along in the book. We're going to come up here to the top left, choose the smart dimension. We're going to select our circle, drag out, click, choose 1 inch, enter. We're then going to choose the center point of the circle sketch, click, drag up, choose the very top edge of our part here, highlighted orange, click, drag out, choose 0.75, enter. We'll hit escape, and then we're going to come up here on the top of the toolbar under the sketch tab to display and delete relations. We're going to click the little drop down, choose add relation. Then we're going to choose the center point of the circle sketch and the origin. Then over here in our properties, we're going to choose a vertical relation. Now we can see we have a black sketch fully defined. So I'm going to hit escape, and then over here in the top right with my little graphics button, I'm going to exit out of the sketch, Control S to save. I'm going to hit the space bar. I'm going to choose the isometric view, and then I'm going to hover over and select the circle sketch, making sure we get this orange arrow here. Now I'm going to click and hold, key you do that, drag out, and then I'm going to move up to where my little pointer arrow icon is over the ruler so I get precise increment movements, and I'm going to move it out to a 1/2 inch, then let go of the mouse button. I'm going to hit escape so I can see this new Boss Extrude feature I've made here, which you see in the feature tree. And then we're going to finally click once on the Boss Extrude, wait just a moment, click again, and then we're going to rename it Side Boss. Renaming features in Sketch is going to be super beneficial in keeping track of what's going on in your part. I'm going to hit escape once, Control S. Alright, starting on page 72, section 2.38, we're going to create our sketch for an extrude cut feature. So first we'll hit the space bar and bring the front view normal to. We'll go up here to our sketch tab. We'll choose a circle. We're going to choose this face of the front boss. Then we're going to click inside of the front boss circular edge. Click and drag out to create our circle. Hit escape. And then we're going to choose a smart dimension. Click on the circle, drag out, click again, choose 2.25 inches, hit enter. Hit escape, and now on page 73 we're going to come up here, display delete relation, click the drop down, do add relation, and this time we're going to select the circle itself, and then we're going to select the circular edge of our front boss, and then we're going to choose concentric relation. Hit escape, and then from here we'll carry on over to page 74, where you can go one of two methods. You can either exit out of the sketch first, or you can go to the Features tab, and hit the extruded cut, and I'm done so this way. I'm going to click in the graphics area, press the space bar to bring it isometric so we can see what's actively happening. And in my end condition, I'm now going to select through all, and then I'm going to click OK. And there we have the extruded cut, which went through both sides of the part with one feature. Alright, now we'll move on to section 2.4 on page 75, where we're going to create a circle sketch on the side boss so we can do an extruded cut hole all the way through. So to start, we'll hit the space bar, and we will bring the right view plane normal to. Then we will go to the sketch tab, choose a circle, then we will choose the face of the side boss, and now we're going to add the relation first, then the dimension. So with that, we're going to come up here and hover over the circular edge of the side boss until we see a crosshair in the center of the circle. We're then going to take our number 2 pencil, hover over that, make sure we have our yellow relation icon. We're going to click and drag, and then hit exit, escape twice. Now you're going to notice that the sketch is still blue under define. However, we've taken the center of this sketch and the center of the edge circle here and made it coincident. So now going on to page 76, section 2.41, we're going to add the smart dimension, click on the circle, drag out, click again, choose the dimension of 0.575, hit enter once. Now don't close out of the dimension yet, because in section 2.42 on page 76, we're going to add a tolerance callout. So we'll do that by coming over here into the dimension properties, and under tolerance and precision, where it says none, click down and choose bilateral. And then here, under our plus, which is our maximum variation, highlight the dimension and type in 0.005, hit enter, and now our dimension is fully defined for what the book wants. Next, click OK. Then from here, we're going to go to page 77, so click in the graphics view, press the space bar, bring it back isometric so we can see what's going on. Come up here to the Features tab, choose Extruded Cut, and now you're going to notice that it goes through both of the side boss extruded features, because when we previously used the Cut Extrude feature command, the through all end condition was already selected. So that's kind of nice. You may need to pay attention to that depending on what you're trying to achieve. So from here, we're going to click OK. And just like that, we have a hole through both sides with one feature. Now on page 78, where we're going to end this video, section 2.44, the alternate method is to using the Instant 3D drag. But I'm going to leave that for you to try if you'd like to. Me, I personally prefer to stay with the Extrude Cut feature from the toolbar here. That is all I have for you in this video. Don't forget to hit Ctrl+S. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.